see this problem 12f, exercise 12f, first problem subtraction. Okay, first one 8x from 15x. We have to subtract 8x from 15x. So we have to do from 15. We have to subtract 8x from 15x. So what we have to write first? 15 you have to write. Okay, 15x. So first I am doing row method. Okay, row method I am doing here. 15x minus, what we have to do? Subtraction. So I am writing minus. After that, the first number, the first algebraic expression I am writing 8x. Now see 15 minus, so x I am taking common. So 15 minus 8. How much you get here? See 15 minus 8. So how much you get here? 7x. So your sign is plus. Okay. So like that you have to subtract. So simple, as it is you have to subtract the numbers, and as it is you have to write the variable. Okay. Subtraction will be possible only for like terms. So these two are like terms. So we can take this like term as common, and then we have to subtract the numbers. Okay. Now see column method. So in the column method we have to write each and every algebraic expression in column wise. Okay. So see here. So 8x from 15x. So from 15x we are subtracting this 8x. So we have to write this 15x first. After that, which one we have to subtract? 8x. So both are plus sign only. What is the mathematical operation we are doing here? Minus. Okay. So we are doing minus. So here this sign is plus. Here also plus. So what we have learned, for the last algebraic expression we have to change the signs. So we have to change the signs of each and every term of the last expression. For subtraction only, not for the addition. Only for subtraction you have to change the signs of the last expression. Okay. Here you have plus. So it will become minus. Now see. So 15 minus 8. How much? So 15. What is the sign here? So bigger number sign you will get here. So plus you get here. 15 minus 8, 7x. So if you get problems like this in exams, you have to choose either one method only. Either row method or column method. Whichever is easier now, take that one. Okay. Now see the next problem. Now see this one, 3ab square from 7ab square. So first we will do this row method. So here 3ab square from 7ab square. From 7ab square you have to subtract this one. Right. So what we have to write first? 7ab square. After that, what is the operation we are doing here? Minus, subtraction we are doing. So give the sign. After that, write down the next algebraic expression which we have to subtract now. That you have to write. So what is here common? So variable here you have like term this one. So ab square you can take it as common and write the numbers in between brackets. Now see 7 minus 3 how much? 4 ab square. So this is your row method. Okay. Now see column method. So what we have learned, from which we have to subtract now, that we have to write first. In column wise we have to write all the algebraic expressions. Next, which one you have to write? 3ab square. What is the mathematical operation we are doing here? Minus. So what is the sign of this one? Plus. What is the sign of this one? Plus. Now what to do for subtraction? We have to change the sign of the last algebraic expression. How much you get here? Bigger number sign you will get. So plus. So 7 minus 3, 4 ab square. As it is, you have to carry these variables. Otherwise like terms. Okay. Understood? Okay. Now see this problem. 5b from minus b. So first see row method. So 5b you have to subtract from minus b. So first one what we have to write? from which number you have to, from which algebraic expression we have to subtract now, that one you have to write first. After that, give the mathematical operation, what we are doing here, subtraction, write down that one. After that, the first algebraic expression, write down that one. Okay, now take this algebraic, variable like term common, and I am also taking this sign common, minus minus. So here it is 1 into b, 1b, so 1. So I have took this minus common, so it will become plus. So this is 5. Now see, minus 1 plus 5, 6, b. What you get here? So from b, you have, from minus b, you have to, you are subtracting here minus 5b. So what you get here? Minus 6b. Understood this one? Here I took this minus common. Here both minus you have, in both the terms you have minus. So I am taking it, I am taking this one out. After that, I am taking this common term, that is like term b also, I am taking this out. Okay, so if you take this minus, all will become plus. Okay, sign will be changed. Okay, 1 plus 5, what you get here? 6. Now see this column method. Now see this column method. So from which number you have to subtract this one? From which algebraic expression? Minus b, which you have to subtract 5b. So what is the mathematical operation we are doing here? Subtraction. Now for subtraction, what we have to do? We have to change the signs of the last algebraic expression. Here we have plus, so I am writing it as minus. The same algebraic expression, bigger number sign, you will get 5. 5 plus 1. So nothing here means 1 into b. 5, 1, same signs you can add. Okay, same signs. See, either plus, both you have plus, you can add. Both minus, you can add. Okay, if you have 1 plus minus, take the bigger number sign, and then you have to do either addition or subtraction. Okay, if you see this one, here we have both minus signs. So you can directly add this one, 5b plus b, 6b, like that. Understood? Now see what happens here. Minus x from x. Minus x we have to subtract from x. Okay. See, for row method. So from which algebraic expression we have to do? From x. What we have to do? Subtraction. Which one we have to subtract? Minus x. Now see, minus into minus will become plus x. What you get here? X plus x, 2x. Understood? Now see column method. So from which number, from which algebraic expression we have to subtract here? X. So which we have to subtract? Minus x. What is the mathematical operation we have to do? Minus. So change the sign of the last algebraic expression here. So minus will become plus. Now plus plus will become plus. X plus x, 2x. Understood? Now see this problem. Minus 3 m square n from minus 7 m square n. So row method. Now see from which algebraic expression we have to do. So minus 7 m square n. What we have to do? Subtraction. Which one we have to subtract? Minus 3 m square n. Now see what happens. So minus 7 m square n. This will become plus 3 m square n. Now this m square n, take this one out. Minus 7 plus 3. Minus 7 plus 3, bigger number sign you will get here. Minus 7 plus 3 means you will get 4. 4 m square n. Okay. Now see column method. So which one we have to write first? From which algebraic expression we have to do? That we have to write first. After that, write down the second one. So which we have to subtract? Minus 3 m square n. Okay. So minus 3 m square n. Now what we have to do? Minus, subtraction, mathematical operation subtraction we are doing here. For that one, what we have to do? We have to change the sign of the last algebraic expression. Okay? So change that one. This minus will become plus. So do the subtraction process. So bigger number sign you will get here. So that is minus here. Minus 7 plus 3. What you get here? 4. Minus 4. M square n. Okay? Understood this one? So row method. So from which algebraic expression we have to do? So minus 2b. So write down that one first. After that, which one we have to subtract? Write down that one. 1 by 2b. Now if you observe here, we can take minus as common. And also we can take this algebraic expression, this variable, common variable b na. So that one we can take this out. Now this will become plus 1 by 2. Okay. So this, take this LCM here 2. So 2 into 2, 4 plus 1b. How much you get here? 5 by 2b. So this is your row method. Now see column method. For the same problem, I am doing this column method, from which we have to subtract now. That write down first. After that, which one we have to subtract? Half b. 1 by 2 b. What is the mathematical operation we have to do? Subtraction. So this plus will become how much? Minus. Now see, minus 2b minus half b. Again, we get this one. So take this minus common and you will get 1 by 2. And I am also taking this b common. So what you get here? 5 by 2. So this is same one. I am not doing again here. See this one. Okay. So you will get the same answer. In row method, column method, in both the methods you will get same answer only. Okay. So now see this one. Here also you have to subtract, but we have 3 terms. In one algebraic expression we have 3 terms. Okay. So combination of different variables. So while doing this problem, we have to carefully observe the like terms. So subtraction will be done only between like terms only. So now see row method. So what they have given, write down first one. For all the problems also you have to write like that only. Okay, what is that one? Given that. So first row method. So from which algebraic expression we have to do? 3a minus b plus 2c. Which one we have to subtract? A plus 2b minus c. So here what I am doing here now? I am removing these brackets and also applying this minus sign in between the terms. Now see 3a minus b plus 2c. I am multiplying with this minus. Okay, minus into plus. What you get here? Minus a. Minus into plus, minus 2b. Minus into minus, plus c. So 3a minus a, 2a. Minus, I will write here one more step so that you can understand clearly. 3a minus a. So I am grouping the like terms here. After that, plus I am writing minus b, minus 2b. I am grouping this. I am grouping this like term b. After that, I am grouping the like terms c. See this one. So first I have written the like terms a. So a completed. After that b completed. After that c completed. Now see 3a minus a. What you get here? 2a plus minus b minus 2b. How much? Both the signs you can add. So minus b minus 2b minus 3b plus 2c plus c 3c. So this is your algebraic expression. after subtracting. Okay. Now for this same problem we will do in column method. Observe carefully. Okay, column method I am doing. Now what we have to do? We have to write from first expression. What is the expression we have to write? This one. Why? Because from this expression only we have to subtract. So I am writing this one first. After that, which one we have to subtract? A plus 2b minus c. Okay. Now what is the operation we are doing here? Subtraction. So from our process what we have learned, we have to change the signs of the last algebraic expression. Right? Terms. What to do? We have to change the signs of all the terms. See here, this one is plus. So I am changing this sign as minus. So it will be converted into minus here. Here we have plus now, write minus. Here we have minus, so write this plus. Okay. So now what we have to do? So with this sign you have to do. You have to take for subtraction. 3a minus a. So 3a minus a. After that, minus b minus 2b minus 2b plus 2c plus c. See here, after changing this one I am writing. Changing this sign I am writing. 3a minus a, what you get? 2a minus 2b minus 3b minus 3b plus 2c plus c plus 3c. See, check this one, the same one you got here. Okay, both are same. In row method and this column method you are getting the same answer. Okay, understood this one?